Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive with Rufus. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a USB flash drive, 8 GB or higher, a Windows 10 ISO file, and the Rufus application. Our video on how to download Windows 10 ISO might help you. The link is in the description below. Please be aware that the USB drive will be formatted, so you will lose everything on it. Make sure to back up any necessary files beforehand. Now, go to your browser of choice and search for Rufus. Navigate to the official website, then scroll down to the download section. You can download either the standard or the portable type. I will go with the portable type. Next, insert the USB drive into the computer and open the Rufus application. In the Rufus interface, under the device option, select the USB drive. Under the boot selection, click on Select and choose the Windows 10 ISO file. In the Partition Scheme option, choose GPT or MBR based on your targeted drive and system. The target system choice will be BIOS or UEFI based on your Partition Scheme selection. BIOS for MBR, UEFI for GPT. Keep the rest of the options as default and click on the Start button. Now you can customize the Windows installation by checking any of the available options if you would like. Finally, click on OK and OK again. Wait for the process to finish. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.